Welltech Polytechnic College under the Department of Computer Science, and we have developed a own project on the title of Bridging Educational Communities through Social Networking site. Our domain is the Social Networking domain, and our project explains from the title Bridging Educational Communities through Social Networking site. We have developed a social networking site which can connect educational communities together. In order to develop a communication between the educational communities above the boundary level, so we made this project. We all know the main advantage of a social networking site is to overcome boundary level which has been constrained within some organizations or within some stages. So in our project, we have developed a social networking site which is to connect a student and a staff or another learning person who tends to learn. And in our project, we have developed these are the contents available in this PPT and the abstract. The abstract says that we have developed a project in which we can connect people which are not within the boundary level. That is, we are not constrained a particular person within the boundary level. We have established a connection between all our students and all our communities. Existing systems. We all know there are many existing systems for social networking sites. There have been Facebook, Twitter, and Facebook and many social networking communities which are intended only to connect people and does not provide an equivalent value for students and communication staff. Disadvantages. There are many disadvantages, such as there is no particular path to development to education format, or there is no free social networking site for education purpose. For example, there are many social networking sites for education purpose. For example, Meditation.com, ClassMateProject.com, etc. But what they have a constraint level. We have to pay some amount to get the education from them. But in our project, we have made it free. Proposed system. We have developed a social networking site in the concept of free of cost and to connect multiple number of organizations within a single community, and they can share information not only to connect between them but also to share information and to learn from one another. And the advantages of new project is it is free of cost absolutely. Then there is number of fake accounts can be reduced because of the content level we have used. And there are much more advantages such as we have introduced some more existing new pages than from the existing pages, such as query pages and search engines which can be used to find the students or staff within our limits or within our limits. Software development. We have developed this project in the ASP.NET using Visual Studio and the backend is SQL Server. Hardware requirements, a simple processor or a simple system is required to run a website. Modules, we have 7 modules: authentication panel, author pen, notification panel, to view community tab, home tab. Authentication panel. We all know social networking any site requires an authentication panel. We have to authorize the person who are using it to use an authentication panel for the login of the student. Author pen is a simple module in which all the content written by the user is going to be stored in that panel. Using this module, we use the information of the user to be stored in this panel. The data of the user should be inserted into our site using this panel. Notifications. Notifications are nothing but to intimate on any action has been performed on the particular user or a different user. There will be notification for each and every user when an action is performed on them. Content access. Our site is an e-learning social networking site, so students need to download or upload files. So we use this content access module to access, that is to get information or to give information. We can upload a file or we can download a file from the site. Tribunes are nothing but commonly known as pages which is used in Facebook, for example, but we have used in different formats to ask questions and post answers, but also we have used it into a chat room format so that users can explain whatever the doubts they have. Community tags. Community tags are nothing but normal tags which can be used to connect one or more people on the content which has been posted in the site. Homework. Homework is generally used to contain the information of the users, and other than the information of the users, it contains the detailed explain and their timeline. This is a sample coding. different concepts like graph-based method, then authentication methods such as fingerprint authentication and etc. And more. We will do a demo now. Since it is an online website, you have to use web browsers to log in. And if you are already logged in, you can use your username, password, and if not, you can use the sign up menu to log in. You have to fill the basic informations to log in to the site. And submit the form. In this case, we are using already registered login. If you log in, your home page will be like this. And the main advantage is to find the students and the staffs who are outside the college, and for that we are using a search engine. This is the search engine we are told. You could use one of the tables to search the student or the staff. So in this we are using the location as Chennai and searching it. Now the search results for Chennai students have been displayed. These are the students who are present in Chennai and who are being logged into the site. Likewise, we have an e-learning division which includes e-library and questionnaire. E-library gives you a complete list of books which can be used for each number of subjects. And also the questionnaire. Questionnaire is another important part in which you can post a question or post a reply for the question already posted. For example, we are posting a question. What is a machine? And the question has been posted. To view the question, you have to go to the reply query, and your question will be asked here as in the recently asked questions. You can see what is the mission of the question we posted has been posted. Similarly, you can post the answer for the required question. You can give the answers.
Dependent one.
And the answer can be posted. And the details of which have been recently posted will be in the updated news, and it has a similar concept as a social networking site. It has a profile, my profile, which shows the information of the user, and my Cantos. My Cantos is used to send any information that is responsible to your college or any function which can be sent to another user. If you send a Cantos, it will be received in the My Cantos to another user. My classmates. My classmates includes the students. My classmates include the students who are already present in your website, but which you have been not added, but in your same college, it will automatically add as in your classmates. My friends, you can manage your friends here. Entertainments, we have used many games, chat rooms and photo galleries for the entertainment of the students. And And events performed in your college can be posted in this profile in the events. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
This is a project bridging educational communities through social networking site.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.